My nomination for Scotch Awards topic is offender search. Yes, in this offender search, it is very useful for the investigation process for the IOs, which are who are investigation officers. In the regular day-to-day investigation process, the investigation officers are facing problems like verifying the antecedents and the details of the manually. It is very laborious process. For this process, we had identified a tool, analytical tool, the offender search, which comes under criminal intelligence system. May I share the PPT, sir?
Sure.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, sir. In the offender search, we are having 9 components, in which these 9 components or 9 tabs, which are used
You
by
make it full
investigation
screen.
officers.
You
Yes.
make your presentation full screen.
Well, okay, sir. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. In this offender search, we are having 9 options or 9 tabs. The investigation officers are using according to their criteria. For which, suppose if any offender is being catched or arrested, for that manual process is in the police stations. They use when their manuals or registers to verify the evidence or his features or whatever the crime he has been done previously. So they are using a laborious process by verifying their registers. By using this offender search, they can. The next slide, we will see that.
In mind?
Yes, sir. Please.
What sort of offenders? Is
Yes.
it traffic offenders or is it criminal offenders? What sort of offenders? Offenders of what?
Offenders, any type of offenders who are
All kinds.
committing crimes like property, anything, any offender who has been arrested, to verify
Yes.
his antecedents,
Okay.
or how many cases he has been arrested, how many times.
Okay.
He won't confess himself.
No, I just wanted to
So
understand
it is a process.
what type of offenders we are talking, because we must know. Because
So,
one can be a traffic offender, no. One can be some theft has happened, or some rules have been broken. They are also all offenders.
Sir,
Yes,
offenders
sir.
under CRPC.
Any offender, any type of offender. What I'm telling is any type of offender.
Okay.
Okay.
Move ahead.
Any type of offender who has been caught, he's been investigated, or what we say is we are interrogating him. He won't confess anything about that person particular. He will be bluffing.
Okay.
Okay, move.
By searching in the offender search, we can retrieve his data previously, how many he had been committed thefts, or how many times he has been arrested, like that, sir. In this past crime, in this way we can know his past crime of the accused. The search is by his name or crime head, like any other crime, like what I had earlier said, that it is a murder, or it may be a rape, or it may be a property offense, like that, sir. We can search by his name also. We can have his photos. We can have his relation details, how many, where he is being residing in the previously. We can investigate that in that purpose also, sir. In the next slide, this here in the first tab, it is for by name, append search by name. We don't know his full name also. He might be telling only simple small name. Suppose he is Rajkumar. He might be telling he is Raj. By searching name of Raj, we can get all the offenders who are in the name of Raj. We can get all those offenders Raj. We can match him by his photograph here.
But this is a part of CCTNS entire program. If I'm
Yes,
not
sir.
wrong.
We are using the database from CCTNS. We are using
Yes.
database CCTNS, but it is
So
apart from the
CCTNS does
CCTNS.
not
We are
permit
not
this
logging
kind
into
of search.
CCTNS.
CCTNS does not permit this kind of search.
No, it is not having this kind of structure. It is a search. That is where. But initially, if anybody who caught a person who is, he might be an offender, he might be not be an offender. But we will search his name according to his names. It is not it is not part of CCTNS, but it is getting data from CCTNS.
Okay.
Okay, and then next search is by his by searching offender crime scenes clues, where we had provided here the crime scene clues like his hair type, his eyes colors, and his body shape, his complexion, about his height. By this type, we can search here in this option, sir. In the next search, it is a custom search where we are having about his modus operandi, by what kind of offense he is creating, he is doing while doing it, like using a crowbar or using breaking the house or entering in night times in the house. This is the type of modus operandi where we can search, sir. In the next thing, we are searching for offenders by crime head. By crime head, we are here. A crime head in the sense it's a bodily offense or a property offense in that type, sir. In the next, we are using the crime history of the offender, where it is the offender who has been arrested previously in POCSO Act cases, or arrested or given notice or remanded, like sir. Where in this we can also see that whether he is arrested, whether he has given a 41 notice, or whether he is having a previous history sheet. We can know in this type of search. We are having some stories also in this search, sir. We have got one Jodu Ganesh who has been doing property offences. While we had searched his name in the offender search, he is not confusing. Actually, he is not confusing his previous crimes. We searched, we had got some 4 to 5 crimes in his name, where he was already arrested. It is very easy for us by and a time-consuming factor has been reduced here, that we can where he is not confusing, but according to our CCTNS database, we had heard that he is already arrested in previous crimes. So it is a very good analytical tool for us, for the investigation officers, to arrest this type of offenders who are not confessing their previous crimes also.
But can you search based on their fingerprints?
No, sir.
Because he may tell
previously
his
when they are
wrong.
arrested,
He may tell his name wrongly. You may not be able to
Yes,
find
sir.
anything by his name, whatever he is telling. So the best way
Yes,
is
sir,
to
we can,
search on the basis of the fingerprints. Our fingerprint
Yes, sir,
bureau.
we can search on this, but it is not. Yes, sir, we are having this fingerprint video.
Yes.
While interrogating, we will get our prints also.
Yes.
But it is not included in this here, sir. Directly, it is not installed in here in this.
But
this
now
I think that should.
By
I think
only,
that should be there, because whenever any person is arrested in any crime, first thing the police do is take his fingerprints. If I am not wrong.
we are having an option here in this offender search by having his FPS number, fingerprint search number.
Yes.
If we take his fingerprint, and if it is matched with any FPS, it is in the here, sir.
Yes.
Here in the.
It should be there.
It is
Yes, for searching,
for
searching offenders based on fingerprints. But what is this number?
Fingerprint search number, FPS number.
I have
Yes.
seen in some cases policemen at the ground level, in their app, they will have even the photographs. So if they suspect a person, they will immediately try to match with the photographs.
That's
they have.
okay.
Yes, sir, yes, yes.
Even
Sir.
that
Match the
technology.
photographs and give the details of his previous convictions, whether
Yeah.
he's a
Yes.
suspect fellow or rowdy shooter, like that, sir.
So these apps are this app is available on with the policeman.
Yes, sir. Now फिलहाल अभी तो नहीं सर, अभी तो नहीं है. इस ऐप पे अभी डेवलप किया जा रहा है सर. अभी इस
The
ऑफेंडर
very
सर्च
purpose
तो
of that should be that even on the spot you can, if you are suspecting someone, you can just see. And some of the police, they are doing it. I don't know whether it's Andhra or it's Tamil Nadu, but we had some presentations where this was indicated. So as of now, you are only for
this.
analytical purpose you are doing it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. For the purpose only who has been caught in a and is who is being interrogated is not confessing. For that purpose, it is very much useful, sir. And his past incidents also, sir. To know his past incidents, where he is available, his face is available, sir. We can match that in the
Are you
readily.
classifying as per the type of offense they make? Again, I come to that. For example, the traffic offenders will be totally different than the other type of offenders, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are, but here we are searching according to modus operandi also. But it is modus operandi also. There is custom search is there. In the custom search we can see that thing also, sir. Here there is crime classification is there, bodily offense. Bodily offense is there, and in the drop down there is property offenses are also there. Other offenses like special and grave cases.
You are already using this app?
Yes, sir. We are using this app, sir. Presently.
How successful you have been to really
Yeah, sir.
Any data you would like to share?
Yes, sir. Sir, in this slide, 960 are been tracked. We have tracked the criminals, sir. Here, 960 offenses have been traced here.
Okay.
960 we are tracked out of few criminals where the history sheeters are the sheeters who are people who are not out of use. They have been tracked by this offender search, sir.
It is basically offender history search, not offender search. I would.
Yes, sir. What I'm telling is that it is the database is there, but what the investigation officers are doing by catching a criminal lively, what they don't know, they don't know about the person, that person. What he will
That's
tell
what
is
I'm telling. That's what I'm telling, that it is only a history search of the offender. The
yes,
background
sir.
search. Background search you can call.
Background search, yes, sir. The background search which will decrease the time where they should manually go into the registers, but it will decrease the time very much. Time.
Yes.
Very less time.
Yes.
You can conclude, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, finally, we had caught one offender who is involved in 43 house burglaries. Already his fingerprint is traced, but he is not confessing. He's actually, when we searched his data in the offender search in this analytical tool, we came to know that he is already accused in 43 crimes, 43 house burglaries. It is also one good example, sir, for that thing.
Is it possible to search suspected people who say you have not been able to catch any person? A crime has taken place.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Based on the
yes, sir, yes.
type of the crime and the modus operandi that has been used, to commit the crime,
Sir,
just you put that without,
yes, sir. We can,
so then you know who are the probable or
Yes, sir.
suspected people nearby or in that area.
yes, sir. We can, sir. In the custom search, it is there, sir. In the custom search, we are giving the clues whatever we are having for the offender.
How long you have been
We can-
using this app?
Sir, we since from the January itself, sir, we are using this app.
So
We started.
I think this needs further improvement.
No, but I still feel that CCTNS has all this search mechanism inbuilt. Why a separate need of a
Yes, sir. For
This-
systems, what I am telling is, sir,
this
For-
entire
for systems,
search,
a
entire
person should log in.
search? I know, but this search system is there in the built in the CCTNS. Otherwise, CCTNS is of no use.
Then yes, sir. It is collecting the data from every FIR
I
which is being
know,
registered
but the data
and who are being
analytics,
arrested.
data analytics is also inbuilt in the CCTNS
Analytics
system.
is used. Yes, sir. Yes, right, sir. Right, sir. The system data is brought to the offender search. Why offender search is being used as analytical tool? Apart from that, why it is used as? It is not used. There is no need of login for this thing.
Okay,
By SHO, by an SHO. Every IO can search this one. He will initially give data to the IO. These are the probable offenders. We can get them. We can interrogate them. This is a time reducing analytical tool apart from systems.
but again, it is based on the CCTNS database. So unless you log in into the CCTNS database, how can you obtain information with this tool? Because this tool has to be
In the
linked with
offender
the
search, sir. In the offender search, we are. Yeah, it is already linked, sir. But it is giving the data only according to the custom search or offender search, where we have providing these type of 9 searches here without logging, sir. Without logging, anybody, any IO or the station members who are the personal interrogating or doing this type of property offense searches or offender searches, they can search without going to the CCTNS database or logging into the CCTNS data.
Anyhow, see, I am not clear on one thing. You are searching, you are analyzing, everything is fine. Maybe this is done at some controlling office
Sir.
level. But what about at base level? No, as Gupta ji was also perhaps sharing that, can we, if a person is suspected to be a criminal, can this app help in locating whether on the spot that whether such a person has a history? Because doing it
Sir, on the spot,
has no meaning.
as of now, every station at the basic level or the field level, we are having some around 965 law and order police stations. We are dealing with these criminals or registering of FIRs. They are having this offender search tool without logging into their CCTNS database or CCTNS logins.
So
They
how
are,
many of
we
you
are.
having this app? All,
This is every. Pardon, sir. Pardon, sir.
how many stations are having this app?
Every station, sir. Every law and order station in the Andhra Pradesh state, 960. Sir.
Okay.
So we have to move on to the next one. We have taken more time on it, sir.
Okay.
More than.
Fine. Thanks.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.